What kind of information does the GIDEON database have? How many records are maintained on a daily basis? The easiest way to find out is by using the A to Z functionality, available from the main navigation bar. The A to Z catalogue tells us how many diseases, drugs, vaccines, microbes, and countries are covered in the GIDEON database. At this given moment, GIDEON lists notes for 233 countries and territories. You might notice this number is different from the 195 countries recognized by the United States. This is because, in addition to political borders, GIDEON observes pathogenic diversity that may exist in smaller administrative units of a large nation. For instance, although some Antilles Islands are still considered part of the Netherlands, diseases prevalent in the Caribbean are very different from those in Europe. GIDEON documents over 2,000 clinically important bacteria, mycobacteria, yeasts, and algae. Let's list all mycobacteria. Organisms in this section all belong to the same genus and are arranged in alphabetical order by the name of their species. To check if GIDEON has Mycobacterium tuberculosis, you can click on the letter T and the list will auto-scroll to the right place. We can now add this organism to the comparison table if desired. Organisms in yeast and bacteria sections are arranged alphabetically by the name of their genus. At the time of recording, there are 77 generic vaccines and 335 anti-infective drugs in the GIDEON database. However, they can be found by any of the 30,000 trade names they go by. For instance, ampicillin has 576 trade names. Finally, GIDEON follows 361 generic infectious diseases. COVID-19 is the latest addition to the database, and it already contains thousands of references, comparison notes to other coronaviruses, and detailed outbreak plans.